some of our friends up in LA, shop, hit us up. They asked us to make a couple of rails for them, so we said, yeah, for sure. So, time to get to work. So they want 3 rails, all of them 10 feet long. I tried talking them into 8 feet long just because it's a little bit easier to handle, to make, to transport, fit in the van. But they wanted 10 feet long, so we're going to do 10 feet, 1 flat square bar, 10 feet long, 10 inches tall. The other one's going to be 14 inches tall, but that one will be actual round bar, 10 feet long. And then we're going to make a Funnest bar that's 10 feet long as well. Cool thing about these is they're going to be a different color. And this will be one of the pieces that we use to set up the rails, but nothing too crazy. Our cheater rollers to help us grind down the ends of the cutoff pieces so no one cuts themselves. You got to round off the edges. And now, easy to roll and pretty stable. Leg at the end. We got the legs cut. We cut them at an extra 1/4 inch so that we could notch them, and so that the leg will fit flush around the radius of the pipe. So to compensate that, we made them 1/4 inch longer. All right. Now we can get a bead all the way around it. So Myles rounded off the edges so they're not sharp, and now it's just time to do some welding. All right, that's enough. We're going to weld the legs 4 inches from the end. Just got to make sure they're square. We'll do this one first. We'll do the other end, and then the middle will be the last. Both legs are welded on the ends. Now it's just time to do the middle. This one's done. "14 inches tall." That's a bit. That's kind of too close for my comfort. What about you, Miles?
Perfect.
You got no problem with this, yeah. 10 feet long. Round one's done. Now, square one. Did we do the legs yet? No, we got to do the legs and do that. And let's get to it. So measure where the middle leg should go. Keep it tight. 60 1/4 that way, 60 1/4 this way. This is the round rail, 16 inches tall, 10 feet long. This is the square, 11 inches tall, 10 feet long. And that's 2.5-inch square tube. I didn't want to do 2-inch. 2-inch is just super common and kind of cheap looking. And this will definitely feel flat, the square bar, versus if it was 2 inches wide. That's 2.5. Gives you some more surface for your trucks to get on. And Funnest bar. So this is the one we always make. Usually have them in stock, but we don't have them 10 feet long like this. They're 6 feet long normally. So those are them. Now we just got to paint them and figure out where the logos are going to go. So they're all painted and they're looking pretty good. Now it's just time to put the decals on and take them up to the shop. Match it up to the other side. Come straight down. Money shot. All done. Made it, we're here. Now it's time to unload. Special delivery.
Drop that.
Time to have some fun. skate the bowl for a little bit.
Drop that.
The music's off, so we better get out of here before the lights turn off. But so far so good, this is fun. Wax. I think that's it. Music's off. Lights are going to be off soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.